Today, we are building a 1 terabyte external SSD. Before the project, let's unbox the 1 terabyte SSD. What we have here is a 980 model by Samsung. For a short specs, it's a PCIe 3.0. Samsung says it can read and write at 3,500 and 3,000 megabytes per second. Now, let's open the box and see what inside. Opening the box, we are greeted by the brand new Samsung SSD 980. Do not remove this pad, or the warranty void. Underneath, there is also a user manual. We strongly recommend reading this user manual to avoid misuse the SSD or lose the warranty, especially if it is your first time using SSD card. Now, we need an adapter, and we choose Orico M to PVC3. Orico claims that it supports up to 10 GB per second data transfer. The best thing is, it comes with 2 cables, Type-C to Type-C and Type-C to Type-A. Orico also provides thermal pad inside the box to cool down your SSD temperature. You can now unscrew the enclosure open. This enclosure also supports other hard drive tips, such as 2230, 2242, 2260, 2280. Let's stick the thermal pad onto the SSD. Before plug the SSD in, we have to stick a holder, a small bulk rubber, come within the box. The holder will keep the SSD fixed inside, so it won't loosen out of the pins. It's all set. Let's assemble all the components. Is it now can be used to copy data? Is it now can be used to copy data? Okay, let's try it on a computer. As we can see here, we cannot see the SSD drive. The reason is that the drive is not registered yet. On Windows, we press Window key and search for Create and Format Disk Partitions. Only here that we can see our newly born SSD. To register your newly born baby SSD, you need to right-click, New Simple Volume. Next, choose the size. We recommend maximize it to the highest. Next, we choose a volume path. Next is crucial. In file system, choose ENT-VS for Windows or your X is FAT for other system besides Windows. And name your new drive, as you love to call it. We'll call it 1 TB SSD. Click Next. Click Next. Now that the baby is born, it shall be ready to use. Finally, I hope you can build your own external hard drive.